Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marola Channel yang selalu setia memberikan informasi-informasi terbaru seputar talenta-talenta terbaik Indonesia. Dan salah satunya adalah Putri Ariani dengan suara indahnya yang semakin hari semakin merdu dan semakin enak didengar. Guys, akhirnya sang reaktor yang selalu kita rindukan reaksinya terhadap Putri kembali lagi di hadapan kita. Walaupun di reaksi kali ini dia tidak meneteskan air mata, tetapi reaksi-reaksinya yang histeris selalu bikin gagal fokus dan bikin nagih. Oh ya guys, saya kok jadi teringat Simon Cowell ya. Apakah dia sudah tahu perkembangan dan kemajuan bernyanyi Putri saat ini? Semoga aja dia tahu dan melihat penampilan-penampilan terbaru dari Putri Ariani. Apalagi kalau Simon Cowell juga ikut mereaksinya ya. Wow, pasti akan lebih seru lagi itu. Oke guys, daripada penasaran siapakah dia dan seperti apakah reaksinya, yuk mari kita saksikan. Let's go.
Reaction video. Man, I'm telling you right now, Alan Walker is blessing us. Not only did we have the audio released just about a week ago, we're getting the music video today, and then apparently there's already a performance video recorded and coming soon too. This has been amazing. I've actually been singing this song since it came out. It's such a catchy and beautiful song. I feel like Peder Elias and Putri Ariani's vocals on this just work so nicely together. It's just stunning. It's stunning and it's got such a positive message. I can't help but fall in love with it. And now, let's go.
Ya, let's go. Tapi di sini kok nggak ada Putri sama Peder Elias ya?
Alan Walker, wow. The quality looks really good.
Berarti ini ceritanya nih WayM ini mungkin Alan Walker ini bukan Putri Ariani sepertinya.
I'm not playing by the rules. If they were made by you, I won't break just like that. I'll make my own mistakes till I'm wrong in all the right ways. Save all your tears, you don't wanna waste them on me. I'm not gonna be just like them. This is just the way that I am.
I love how Alan Walker is just like so open with his journey. This journey of like, whenever you get people like this, people in like the positions like Alan Walker's in, to show us how they got there, to be so open, exposed, and real and raw with us, you can't help but fall in love with an artist even more. That's why I love Putri Ariani as well. I must admit, Peder Elias crushes this opening. He's got a stunning voice.
Oke, lanjut. Mantap. Benar ya, ini kan perjalanan Alan Walker dari kecil sampai saat ini kayaknya.
This is such a great song.
Who I am. Wow, mantap.
Don't say this, don't say that. I'm not playing by the rules if they were made by you.
His voice on this song sounds so like mature, so like I don't even know the word, but so strong. Like her opening is amazing.
Yeah.
It's so good. I've been listening to this song so much. It's such a good song. I honestly feel like it's some of Putri's strongest vocals.
Gila, beliau selalu histeris ya kalau menanggapi suara Putri ya. Luar biasa. Mungkin saking cintanya dengan Putri kali ya.
Oh my god! You know, she sounds like a James Bond girl. You know, like does the opening song to a James Bond movie. That's what she sounds like, man.
Seperti pembuka film James Bond, mantap. Ya.
This is such a match made in heaven. It bloody well is, man. Alan Walker has just like put together such a fantastic team. I so hope to hear more songs of Alan Walker and Putri Ariani and Peder Elias. I feel like this song is perfect. In terms of the instrumental and the song that Alan Walker has composed and put together, it sounds fantastic, right? The lyrics are so powerful and moving and inspiring. It's just songs of inspiration for everybody. You listen to this and you just feel it. You know, it gives you that fire, that just warmth. You know, that embrace that you can do this. You can do this, and you can see these journeys unfolding, and then you just get hit by Putri Ariani's and Pedal's stunning vocals. Putri is just. Her and Alan Walker, I just want more songs.
Wow.
She sounds so freaking great, man.
Wow, mantap. Reaksinya benar-benar luar biasa ya.
Oh man. The ending with the violin, with everything picking up like this. God man, sniffing, I'm crying.
Oh,
what a match made in heaven, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Oh, dia berlinang air mata lagi kayaknya, guys.
It's so freaking beautiful. What an amazing music video. Oh man, I do want to say I want to shout out Alan Walker at the end of this.
Silakan berteriak.
I really want to shout out Alan Walker, the wonderful Alan Walker, the person who put all of this together, the main man, featured me in his video. I couldn't believe it. Put my stupid face. This nobody. This absolute nobody here in the UK. You know, I'm just tiny little guy.
Yeah.
And he put me in his reaction video. He put a reaction compilation together, and I was there. And honestly, I'm so grateful for that. I really am. It was really sweet and nice to be included. I feel like I've got my tiny little room here in the world, and I'm just sort of like hidden away. So whenever I see anyone like noticing me, it kind of feels strange.
Oke, mantap, luar biasa, benar-benar luar biasa. Setiap reaksinya kepada Putri itu gak pernah gagal ya guys. Ya selalu bikin kita ikutan histeris seperti dia ya. Setiap kali dia mereaksi Putri itu setiap kali itu juga dia ikutan histeris ketika melihat Putri. Nah bahkan selalu di setiap mereaksi Putri dia selalu meneteskan air mata, dan bahkan mungkin saking cintanya kepada Putri kali ya, luar biasa. Ini sangat luar biasa. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi anda yang menonton, dan itu dia reaksi kita hari ini. Dan terus support Putri Ariani dan juga Marola Channel, dan juga para reaktor-reaktor yang mereaksi Putri Ariani, dan dikit terus video berikutnya dari Marola Channel. Thank you.